Good job. What? What? Why you always asking me if I want to fight? I'm saying, what did I say?
Good job.
Good job. The heck?
Why you want to fight with people saying good job?
Say that to the camera.
Mira,
Shut up.
abuela. Look at grandma. She looked like a prisoner. Abuela, vente.
Sal para afuera.
Está mojado, se me cae.
Pasó una prisionera.
Vamos con la bombilla de aquí, ahí. Ajá, tienes un Those Mac burgers.
Yo, how small are you gonna do it?
Smash burgers. We're gonna do half white and half. Listen, they're hungry. We need to do them fast. The hey guys. So
You gotta do it like that. You gotta do it like that.
Hello.
In here, we're having a some like burgers. This is how we do it.
You have to do those fast so they could not so that's more fast. Yeah, I know. I see the blood. So they could eat something real quick.
Thank you. How I like it.
And it tastes good. Mira, te lo mando. Qué chulada, pero de qué chulada. Eres so... Pero qué chulada. Qué cocina. Y que este baile. Y este baile ahora.
Es el baile, no sé.